Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ruth, and I want to welcome you to a new term at Meredith College, and specifically your accounting course this semester. In this video, I'm going to stress some things from your syllabus that I want to make sure that you're aware of. However, make sure that you read the entire thing because I'm not going to be going over the entire syllabus in this video. So it's very, very important that you do read through it thoroughly, make any notations about questions you might have, and of course, let me know what those are. Again, welcome to the semester, and I hope you have a great and productive term.
So hopefully by now you've had a chance to look at the syllabus, read through it, and kind of get acquainted with the requirements of this course. So I'm going to stress just a few things that's listed there, although there's a whole lot more in the syllabus than just what I'm going to talk about. So please make sure, if you haven't already, read through the syllabus thoroughly, as there will be a syllabus quiz. And you want to make sure that you look at the last page of the syllabus as your course calendar. It's going to let you know when everything is due, as well as when the syllabus quiz is available and when it's due. So make sure you look at that. The syllabus quiz will test you on what's in the syllabus. And as you will be taking it at home, you can have the syllabus sitting in front of you while you're taking this quiz. So don't panic too much about that. But if there's a prerequisite to this course, you're also going to be responsible for the prerequisite knowledge of the course. So if you're in an upper level accounting course, you will be responsible for some general knowledge that you should be carrying forward into this course. So please be aware of that. So things about the syllabus I want to stress. So again, make sure that you've read it thoroughly and you're familiar with all the expectations for this course. One big thing is no late work is accepted. That should be for any business course, but it's specifically for this course, no late work is accepted. Now, there's always exceptions to every rule. So for example, the exams in this course, as you will see as you read the syllabus, are available for 3 days. So you can take your exam over a 3-day period. Well, if you're in the hospital for those 3 days and there's absolutely no way you could have taken the exam, then obviously there's going to be some exceptions there to that rule. Now, because it is available for 3 days, if you decide to wait till the very last day to take the exam and you get sick on that day, then there's really no exception. You could have taken it for the past 2 days. So you're absolutely welcome to wait until the last minute to take an exam or to do an assignment, but you will suffer the consequences of that choice if something comes up. So please be aware of that. Also, exams are not intended to be identical to homework. Homework is there to practice what you've learned, and exams are really there to test your knowledge in new situations. So don't be under the misconception if you make 100 on the homework assignment, then you're well prepared for the exam. That is not the case. Homeworks are a good first step in preparing for those exams. So please make sure you're doing additional practice, additional work, additional reading to prepare yourself for those exams. There's also a cumulative final exam at the end of the semester for this course. However, if you are a student that has achieved at least a 90% in the course prior to the final exam, so after everything's graded, you have a 90% going into the final exam, you will be exempt from taking the final exam and you will receive an A in the course. Now, keep in mind, an 89.99999% has never been nor will ever be a 90%. So there's no rounding of grades. So you have to have at least a 90% or you will be required to take the final exam. I do utilize a discussion board for all of my classes. So please ensure that you subscribe to the discussion board, and I have directions on how to do that within your Brightspace course. So please make sure that you take note of that. I will be posting on the discussion board periodically. Most likely I'll do one within the first week of class as well, but this will also be where I discuss your exams. So if there's a problem on an exam that a few people struggled with, I will usually explain that question and then post it to the discussion board. So you want to make sure that you're subscribed to the discussion board so that when something is posted there, you're notified about it and you can go and read about it and take a look at it. This is also a place where you can make posts, ask questions to your peers as well as me. So this is a very, very important tool for this course. So please make sure you take advantage of that. All of your assignments are accessible via Brightspace, and you can find them under content in the navigation bar, and I'll show you that here in just a little bit. So please make sure that you go to brightspace.meredith.edu, and you can find the Brightspace course there if you're not familiar with Brightspace already. Make sure that you look around in our Brightspace course. I've posted a lot of stuff in there, trying to get it ready for our new term. I also want you to be aware that grades do not sync immediately in Brightspace. So once you get finished doing one of your assignments, note that the grade may not automatically appear in the Brightspace gradebook. It can take some time, so don't panic if your grade doesn't automatically transfer into Brightspace. It will eventually get there, so that's not something you should worry yourself over. So let's take a look at what your Brightspace course will look similar to. When you log into your Brightspace course, you should see something similar to this screen. And the first announcement you will see is a Start Here announcement. So please make sure that you read that Start Here. And there's several other announcements below that one that you'll also be encouraged to read. And please make sure that you do that. One of those is for the syllabus. It explains how to get the syllabus. It is in your Brightspace course. If you click on Content and then click on Overview, you'll find the syllabus. But there's directions on that as well in those announcements that you see that I'm pointing out. The next thing I want you to be aware of is the information on the right-hand side, which is a little bit about me, how to contact me. But one specific thing is virtual office hours. And underneath that blue link there, it will tell you the times that I'm available for my virtual office hours. When you click on that link, that's actually a link. When you click on it, it will take you to a Zoom room. And it will put you in a waiting room. If I'm currently with a student, you'll sit in the waiting room until I'm free, and then I will bring you into our meeting. And I encourage you to use these, and hopefully there won't be any issues, but if you find there's an issue with anything, please just let me know, and we can try and clear that up. The last thing I want to point out to you is how to get to the main assignments for this course. So circled here are the things you're going to be most using in this particular course. You'll click on Content in the navigation bar to find all of your assignments, as well as lecture videos that I've created, lecture notes I've created for the course, and some other helpful information. So please make sure that you, again, look around in the Brightspace course before the classes start, so that you're familiar with where to find things. Also, the discussion board is found under Activities, and then click on Discussions. That's really the only link that you're going to need under Activities, because you're not going to need the assignments link there. You'll find your assignments under Content. I wanted to make you aware of those two buttons so that you know where to find the majority of the information for this course. So again, welcome to accounting, welcome to the course, welcome to Meredith College, welcome back to Meredith College, and I trust that you all have a productive and exciting term, and that you'll put forth the work and effort that's needed to be successful in this course and all of your courses. As always, if you need anything from me, please let me know. You should have my contact information available to you on Brightspace, and I trust that you will use that information. The easiest and quickest way to contact me is via email. But again, I also hope that you will utilize the discussion board for any questions that you might have, some interesting things that you've found in your readings about accounting, or some things that you have found ways to remember things within accounting. Sharing those things with your fellow students is a great thing, and I trust that you will do that. So again, welcome to the course. I look forward to meeting you all.